Hey everyone, I am Bruce, and today I am going to explain to you how to set up SMS marketing on Shopify. Start by opening Shopify in your web browser. Here, make sure you are logged in with your account. Once you are here, click on Add Apps from your left panel. Then click on Shopify App Store. Now here, search for Text, Cart, SMS Marketing, and AI. Click the Install button to add it. Now here, you are agreeing to share personal information with this app. Go through all the details and then click on Install App from the top right. Go to the Get Started button and you will get these plans. Initially, you can continue with its free basic plan. You can also upgrade it to Starter, Growth, or Pro if you want. All of these have different features and you can pay both annual and monthly basis. Once you have selected a plan, you will be taken to this page. Here, you need to add a payment method to continue and you will be charged accordingly. Once you are done, SMS marketing will be set up on your Shopify store. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, goodbye.